We're going to embed multiple values inside a string. Watch how this is done. First of all, I've got a variable I called my miles equals 10. I've got another variable called my underscore date, and that's going to equal April 10, 2018. And I have my message, which is going to equal, single quote, I ran. Now percent %s means I'm going to substitute something right here. So I have one substitution already marked down that Python knows about. So I ran %s miles today on another %s, which now my message is going to be expecting 2 substitutions. That's what the S stands for. I'm going to substitute. Now watch what happens when I print my message. I say print, open paren, my message. Then I have a % sign there. This means I will replace the %s placeholders with the values from the variables. And now I put in my miles, my date, and this is going to come out and say, I ran 10 miles today on April 10th, 2018. So the first % when I say print my message means I'm going to have substitution. Get ready for it. And then it's going to print my message expecting 2 substitutions. And I replace the first %s with my miles. And then I replace the second %s with the value from my date. And that's how you can embed multiple values in a single string.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need to learn SQL for Netezza, Teradata, or Aster? Visit coffingdw.com for our helpful training guides. With Teratom, SQL stands for So Quickly Learned.